Hi, this is Liquid Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2022 Iveco Daily, stock number 6607. This ran from the first 2017 to the current shape. It has an F1C 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is the F1C 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Headlight. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door, no dents. Left rear sliding door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.